Yash Chaudhary. I'm the founder and CEO at Zorba Consulting India. Overall, I have 9 years of experience after graduating from IIT BHU in data science consulting. The first 5.5 years I worked with various consulting companies. The last I worked was senior consultant at a firm named Fisher Jordan. And then for the last 4 years, I have been running Zorba as the principal consultant and CEO over here. In my entire career, I have done about 110 projects in data science and data science program management, data science trainings, all of that. Zorba overall has served more than 50 clients in the past 4 years, and we have delivered more than $80 million of value for our clients on their P&L through all the projects that we have executed for them. It's not just analyzing data, because I know many of you just know that component of it. But you have to understand that the data that you want to analyze, it must have been stored somewhere. Someone must be managing that data. Someone must be creating the system to collect that data, to store that data. Someone must be working on actually representing that data in the right way. Yes? Does this make sense to you guys? That data science is not just about analyzing data, but it's overall basically a field that will enable you to understand how to utilize data for getting meaningful insights and recommendations and to make decisions using data. Right? Now, why does it come? Like, what someone might question, right? That why do I need to make decision using data? And to that, we would just want to quickly understand, and that's the major objective of this session, right? That why and how you go from data to wisdom. That's the title itself of the session, right? So to take a look into that, right? That how does that come into play? How did the world reach this point where you're hearing about data science everywhere, right? The number of ads that you see related to data science, I don't think that you would have seen these many ads ever, right? Like on every YouTube channel or Instagram, whenever you're browsing, you would find some ad related to this. And the whole reason is because this entire field, this entire stream has become like a buzzword these days, right? Because everyone knows that no matter what, they need to be really, really strong at data science. I'm not talking about people. I'm not talking about students or aspirants. I'm talking about companies. Companies have realized that if they do not use data in today's world, in today's tough competitive ecosystem, when all of their competitors are using data to understand the audience better, to understand the product better, to design even better products than what they had earlier, to improve their supply chains, to improve their infrastructure, their systems, to improve their people, their employees. Companies are using data science everywhere, and the moment that started, everyone realized that in the coming 10 to 20 years, the only thing that will have an advantage or that will give you an advantage over your competitors is basically how deep your data systems are. And very quickly this turned from just advantage to actually becoming a necessity. So right now at this point, all the Fortune 500 companies or all the Fortune 1000 companies, the 1000 biggest companies, have basically realized that if they are not very, very strong with data, there's no way they're going to get anything meaningful in terms of their business output, right? So that's why it has become a necessity now.